Okay, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you may tell, I'm gonna be showing you my tune for my Mazda RX-7. So as you may tell, I'm currently with my car right now, and I've actually just started playing Forza 4 again. So yeah. So I'm gonna give you my stats and my tune with this car, and also after this video, I highly recommend you should get this tune. But this is it's probably not the best tune I've made before, but it's probably my first time trying it. So if you do want to go and add me on Xbox, it's actually. Oh, I just accidentally changed my gear by accident. My name is MixerJacob15. Then you can go and add me on Xbox, only on Xbox only. So yeah, I'm gonna give you the stats of the car, and I'll give you the tune after. So we're just gonna go on to my car right now. Right, so it is a 1997 Mazda RX-7. It cost me around 55 credits. My speed is 8.7, handling 8.5, acceleration 7.6, launch 9.1, braking 8.7. Then I'm running 33 horsepower and 815 torque. Weight, I've put weight reduction, so that leaves me with 1112 weight. And then front is 50%, and the dispatch is 2000. And it is S1 class and rear-wheel drive. And now for the tune. Okay, so the tune's called UT, and obviously, so there's the stats, and yeah, and I just realised my friend joined my party. Yeah, I'll speak in a minute. So, right, thank God he left. so yeah, that's it for this video. If you do want to see any like backstage of how I make my tunes, and yeah, so alright, so that's it for this video. Please drop a like on the video if you do want me to do like more videos like this, building drift cars or making tunes. Then I will be bringing a second channel, which is going to be obviously more from me, obvious. So so you can go and add me on Xbox, and you can, if you want to try this tune out, then it is S1 class. I would say the price is around 50,000. Then yeah, so I'll see you guys for another video. Bye bye.